To my viewers, my maths presentation today is about integration of trigonometric function. So I denoted as f of x, meaning this is function. So this topic is under calculus 2. This maths is intended to the students who are majoring in mathematics and engineering students. So I have here number 1, integral of tangent to the fifth x dx. So I need to split this one. So integral tangent cube x and then times tangent squared x dx. Note, we have 1 plus tangent squared theta is equals to secant squared theta. Okay? So I can now revise this one. So tangent squared theta is equals to secant squared theta minus 1. So this will be integral of tangent cube x. The value of tangent squared theta is this one. So this will be a secant squared x minus 1 dx. So I have now distribute this one. So integral of tangent cube x, and then this will be secant squared x dx. And then the second one is minus integral of tangent cube x dx. So I need to erase at the top because I have limited space on my whiteboard. Sorry for the inconvenience. So this one, I will assume this one as my u. U will be tangent x, and then derivative of tangent x is secant squared x dx. So in this integration, I can now formulate that tangent is my u, since this is to the third power, and then secant squared x dx is my du. And then next will be integral of tangent squared. So I will now split this one. Tangent x times tangent squared x dx. So to integrate this one, this will be n plus 1 over n plus 1. So this will be 3 plus 1, 4, and then over 4. Then this one is integral of tangent x, and then the value of tangent squared x, we have secant squared x is equals to 1 plus tangent squared x. So transpose this 1 to the left. So this will be secant squared x minus 1 is equals to tangent squared x. So I will replace tangent squared is 1 by secant squared x minus 1 dx. So I need to erase. This will be u. I need to distribute first. So this will be u to the 4 over 4 minus integral of tangent x and then secant squared x dx. Negative times negative, this will be positive. Integral of tangent x dx. So in here, let u will be tangent x. Du will be secant squared x dx. In here, we know that tangent is sine over cosine. So this will be integral of sine x over cosine x dx. Since our u will be cosine x, so du will be negative sine x dx. So I need to erase at the top. So I have now 1 over 4 u to the 4 and then minus. So u will be tangent x, du is secant squared x dx. So this will be u. Integral of u, then secant squared x dx is du. So this will be du. Then plus. So integral of, so since this is, my u is cosine, and then sine dx. So this will be, sine x is u, sorry, cosine is u, then this one is du. So I have negative du over u. So this will be minus du over u. So this will be 1 over 4. U is tangent. Tangent x. This will be to the 4th. Minus integral of u du will be u squared over 2. Then this will be minus ln. This will be ln u. This will be plus c. So 1 over 4 tangent to the 4th x. Then this will be 1 over 2. U is tangent. This will be tangent squared x. Then what is ln u? U is cosine. So this will be ln cosine x plus c. So this is my final answer, and that's all.